Hey guys, it's James here from Blueprint Lab. In this video, we're going to go through unpacking your brand new Reach Alpha 5 manipulator. So what do we get in the box? Obviously we get the Reach Alpha 5 manipulator itself, but it also comes with a fully waterproof 6-pin impulse whip. This is a USB to micro USB connection cable, a 24-volt power supply, and if you didn't buy one of our master arm controllers, then you'll get a 3D connection space mouse as the control unit. So the first thing we want to do is get all of these products out onto the table to do a bench test. Now you always want to do a bench test first before integrating onto a vehicle, because if you put it straight onto a vehicle, you can damage the arm and even the vehicle if something goes wrong. So the first thing we're going to do is just put it all on the table here. Before you throw away the box, there is an adapter in there for the power supply in the bottom. Don't forget that. Now our manipulator is on the table, we want to get it into an upright position. We can do that by loosening this locking nut here. Now I'm going to turn this clockwise when looking at it from this direction to loosen the nut. You should feel the pins disengage at the end. There we go. Now this locking mechanism allows you to actually position the arm in increments of 45 degrees. So you can do that round a full circle just to give you a bit more customizability when integrating onto a vehicle. I'm going to put it in the upright position for the moment and just screw counterclockwise to tighten. Great, so our next step is to connect this arm to the computer and connect it to the power source. So the first thing we're going to want to plug in is our 6-pin impulse whip. Just goes into the back of the arm here, and it can only go one way, so you can't get it wrong. Just tighten the collar by turning it clockwise. Cool. Our next step is to connect this all to the computer. So we're going to use our USB to micro USB cable here. USB end goes into the computer. And micro USB has the option of going into either RS232 or RS485. I'm going to be running it on 232 today. You should see a few LEDs start to flash, showing that the connection's been made to the computer. The last thing we need to connect is the power. So take your power supply here and the adapter, connect them together, and then just plug this into any wall socket. The other end goes into the breakout board like this. You should see a little red LED come on to indicate that the system's now powered. That's all we're going to go through in this video. Tune in next time to see us connect this system into Reach control and move the arm. Thanks for watching.